time.
Okay, tell me the story.
Once upon a time, there was a girl. And her name is Lucky.
The girl's name was Lucky?
Yeah. Afraid ghosts.
She was afraid of ghosts?
Yeah, and ran home and told the not nice.
They told the ghost not nice.
And that's not nice to be a flower. So next, hey, there comes the girl. What's wrong, girl? I'm afraid ghost. And there is no ghost. Oh, it's gone? Yes. Go to the girl. Not nice. Okay. Man.
What's happening in the story? You have to tell me.
Jump and jump and jump. And God just time.
Erin, look this way, please.
And he jumped. To dive and down. And jump high, higher and higher and higher and higher.
And then what happened?
And got the diamond really star. And get that diamond.
Ooh, and then what happened?
Back of the diamond back down. It ran, and you can see us up in the sky. Look, sis.
Hi.
Closer to let me keep cabbage.
And then what happened to Lucky and the ghosts, Erin?
Erin. Steady.
What happened with Lucky and the ghost?
Up and down where to go. And higher and higher and higher in the air. And the ghost can't see us. So that's
Sit and tell me the story.
and got this diamond of doom.
The Diamond of Doom?
The diamond of doom. And they got bring it back to normal. Got it. And then jump up and down.
And then what happened to Lucy and the Lucky and the ghosts?
And they jump up and down like me. Jump up.
And then what happened?
And he's
And then what happened?
and